Welcome to GGC's Introduction to Studying Abroad. My name is Celie Blair, and I'm here to help you get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Traveling to another country opens up the world for you. It introduces you to the customs and traditions of other societies. It gives you perspectives and an appreciation of the world where we live. In this series, we will give you important information that will help you to have a positive and rewarding experience while studying abroad. You'll learn about the basics of traveling abroad and how to respect the laws and traditions of your host country. You'll get instructions on how to be a success in your studies. Finally, we'll provide you with information on how to protect your health and your safety. Watch these videos and view the other provided materials before your departure. And make sure to review them again before your trip. And then go have a wonderful adventure. Have fun and don't forget to take lots of pictures.